Hey you guys, so it's Keoshia, I'm back for another clean with me video. Excuse the wash machine in the back. I'm in my kids' bathroom and their bathroom is right off of the laundry room and I am actually washing clothes for today. As you can see, my kids' bathroom is currently under construction like everything else in my house. But if you like my cleaning videos with me, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you turn that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. And without further ado, let's just get into today's cleaning video. As you can tell from the title of today's video, I am going to be spring cleaning my kids' bathroom, and it's really just a super deep cleaning of their bathroom. They're not very good at cleaning their showers and sanitizing anything in here, so I always like to come around and do it regularly, and so that's what I'm going to do today. Their bathroom is about as teeny as my master bathroom where the shower and the toilet is, but for them they have the shower, the toilet, and the sink in here, so sometimes the angles are not going to be the best, so I apologize for that in advance. It's a very small bathroom, but it's big enough for both of them, and I'm so glad it's not big because that means a lot more cleaning I would have to do behind their butts. So I'm happy for how small it is, but anyway, let's go ahead and get into the cleaning. So the first thing I'm going to do is take up their floor mats and throw them in the washing machine with the towels that are going right now. Alright you guys, so the next thing I need to do is go ahead and start getting their shower and tub area like scrubbed, because this here is freaking ridiculous. They ought to be shamed about how this tub look in here, but they have no shame whatsoever. You hear me? None. Don't understand it at all. Let me get my scrubber. Alright, and now let's go ahead and work on a toilet. In their bathroom, I'm very harsh. I do Clorox cleanup. They just nasty as they can be. I don't care nothing about no harsh chemicals or nothing in here. They just better wait till I get finished because ain't nobody got time for their little nasty selves. I also have a son who act like he can't pee in the toilet for whatever fucking reason. So I always have to like fucking clean up behind his little nasty self too. It's a mess in here. hope you enjoyed this spring cleaning of my kids' bathroom. That is all, you guys. I washed their things that go on the floor. I washed their garbage can. I washed their little thing, you know, to clean out the toilet with. Just put Clorox in it, set it in some water, you know, just to sanitize it. And I am going to finish mopping up this floor, and then that is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed my spring clean series, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.